Hello friends, welcome to the CADPower tutorial series. I am Pradeep Saman coming to you from DesignSense Software Technologies Private Limited. Today we are going to learn about the CADPower macros tools, which are very helpful tools for the layer management. As you can see, we have the shortcut list of these tools through which we can turn on, turn off the layers, lock, unlock the layers and freeze or unfreeze the layers. You can use these tools for save your time and increase your productivity. As you can see, I have these drawings within multiple number of the layers. For using this macro, what we need to do first, we need to go to the CADPower settings, and here you need to enable this option. So you need to click here and then OK. Other method, you can use this shortcut command cp_def macros. You can use this command also. This is the shortcut command. You need to type here yes, enter. By using this command, we can enable the macros. First of all, we are going to use the off macro. So I am going to type OF, enter. So now it will ask for the select layer to turn off. You can just select that layer. So now you can see how easily we can turn off the layer which we want to turn off. Okay. So now if we want to turn on this layer, what we need to do, just you need to type the ON and you need to use this command ON star and then enter. So this command will turn on all layers in the drawings. So if you want to turn off the all layers in the drawing, you just need to type the OF star, enter. This will turn off the all layers. If you want to turn on all layers, then you need to type the ON star, enter. So this star is basically used for the all layers. If you want same setting on the all layers in the drawing, you can use the star. Otherwise you can use the single command. So if I want to turn off the specific layers in the drawing, type OF, enter, press again enter. Now it will ask for the enter the layer name. So here you can type the name of the layer which you want to turn off. Otherwise you can see here we have the layer name with the A_. If you want to turn off this all A_ layers, you just need to type here A_star and then enter. This will turn off the all layers which name start with the A_. Like this we can turn off specific layers in our drawing. So now next thing, if you want to turn on all layers, you just simply type ON star, enter. This will turn on all layers. Otherwise if you want to turn on specific layer, then you can use the ON, enter, then type here the name of the layer which you want to turn on. Okay, same as it is, we can use the lock, unlock and freeze, unfreeze macros. How we can use them? So you need to type the LCK for shortcut command of the lock macro. So I am going to use this LCK and enter. Now it will ask for the select the layers. If I want to lock this layer, so I need to select it. Now you can see our this layer is now locked. If I want to unlock it, you just need to type U LCK, enter, and you need to give the name here, or otherwise you can select this layer, or you can use the U LCK star. By using this command we can unlock all layers in our drawing. Okay, so now next, if you want to freeze the layer, so you can use FR, enter, then again enter. If I want to freeze all layers which name start with the A_, then I need to type here A_star, enter. It will freeze the all layers which name start with the A_. Okay, like this we can use the freeze. If you want to unfreeze all layers, then I need to type here TH star, shortcut command for this macro for unfreezing all layers. Then you need to press enter. So now you can see our all layers is now unfreeze. So like this we can use these macros. So now you can see how easily we can save our precious time for making this layer turn off, turn on, freeze, unlock. So we can use these powerful macros from the CADPower. And if you want to download the CADPower, you can download it from the given link in the description. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like our videos and share it with your colleagues. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next video.